higher levels of national parks. What decides that they are higher level? Higher level of endemism and endangerment. So biospheric reserves are nothing but national parks can have one or more than one national park. What is the elementary difference between national park and wildlife refuge? National parks involves permissible human presence. Wildlife refuge is 100% natural. Biospheric reserve is nothing but one or more than one national park with higher levels of endemism, endangerment. So when I talk about biospheric reserve, I am actually talking about national park. How will I remember 12 names? Eventually we'll remember 18 names, but how many? 12 map site. I am in southern part of India. You are there on your map. I am giving you lead here. I have to adjust. This is not coming up in the frame. Biospheric reserves that you have to remember in southern part of India. Go sequential. You will never forget it. It is Great Nicobar. Virtual class for you. I am readjusting the map. Are you noticing that in your maps? I don't want any one of you to write anything. Please see. Great Nicobar, number 1. Number 2, Gulf of Mannar. I am in southern part of India. Number 3, Agastya Malai. Let me just come to the frame. Only Great Nicobar is now not visible. It's okay. Agastya Malai. It is one of the peaks of Cardamom. And number 4, Nilgiris. Come on, 4 out of 12 we are remembering now. Which are the 4 map sites in southern India? Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, Agastya Malai, Nilgiri. I want to come to central India and I'll be traveling from center west to east. I will count the additional map sites. Which are they? Careful. It is not marked as map site. It is latest to be included. So my symbol, my map is older. I can mark it up. I move from east. It is Sundarbans. It is Simlipal in Odisha. It is Amarkantak Kachna Kumar. I am dealing with it since relief time. Recalling? Amarkantak Kachna Kumar. It is Panchmadi. Recalling Dhupgarh? What? What are you recalling for Dhupgarh?
Highest peak
Of? Very good, Rakesh. Satpura Mahadev. Very good. Dhupgarh be located there and Panchmadi is there. Recall. It is Sundarbans. It is Simlipal. It is Amarkantak Kachna Kumar. It is Panchmadi. And now add the youngest into the map list. Panna. How many names done? 4 plus 5. 9 is already done. Remind yourself of names. Which are the map sites of our country? Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, Agastya Malai, Nilgiris. It is Sundarbans, it is Simlipal, it is Amarkantak Kachna Kumar, it is Panchmadi, not Dhupgarh, Panchmadi, and it is Panna. Comfortable, 9 of them. Now I am going further north, and as I go further north, 12, 3 more names to go. Which are they? Garo Hills windward side, Nokrek, highest peak of Himadri in our country, Kanchenjunga, and tallest peak of Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi. List is done. List is done. And names becomes easier for you to remember. And this is how you will remember the names, because we will not be remembering 987 protected area. But we definitely will try to remember all the principal ones. Simply, don't give me answer. I have zoomed it out. Don't give me answer. Just try to imagine map of India, or you can see map of India, whatsoever way it is convenient to you. It is red, only Great Nicobar is not coming in my frame, so I'll just hold the map like this. And carefully remind yourself, which are the 3 in a northern part of India? Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, Nokrek. Which are the 5 in central belt of India? Panna, Panchmadi, Amarkantak Kachna Kumar, Simlipal and Sundarbans. Which are 4 in peninsula? Nilgiri, Agastya Malai, Gulf of Mannar, Great Nicobar. Done. 12 map site is done. In our map, Lindsay Tang is given in our map. Rupshu is given in our map. On the west you can see Devasai plains also. Are you noticing? Sai-Chin, Lindsay Tang, Roopshu. Roopshu has So Murari. Go slightly west, you will find Devasai plains. Yes or no? And towards center, you will find Depsang plain. What is missing in our school atlases? Now I am marking them with red color. Chang Chengmo, south of Ningitang, and Soda plains, north of Aksai Chin. All of them are high altitudinal plains. You will associate them with which type of grasses that you have learned today, class? Alpine meadows. Grazing community. Yak, gazelle, goat, sheep, Tibetan antelopes. This completes our map of plains.